Good evening, ma'am. Welcome to Vizcayan Hotel. How may I help you?
Hi. Do you have a deluxe room available tonight?
We do have a deluxe room available. The rate is 5,000 per night. It includes free Wi-Fi, breakfast, use of the pool and gym, and a comfortable queen-size bed.
That sounds nice. How can I pay?
You can pay by credit card, debit card, or cash, ma'am.
I'll pay by card.
May I see your card, ma'am?
Here.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Miss Reyes, for staying with us tonight. This is your room key, ma'am. Your room number is room 305 at the third floor of this building. Have a nice day, ma'am. Here's the map of the hotel and the list our services. If you need anything, just dial zero if you need to add some amenities or other stuff. Enjoy your stay, ma'am.